Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to remove the watermark from an image. First, you need that image in your device. Then you have to go to this website called AI. Then after visiting that, you need to scroll down a bit where you can see the watermark removal. Click on free trial. After that, you need to upload an image. You have to select an image and click on open. After opening it, you want to remove watermark, click on remove watermark and wait until it's processed. As you can see, our image is ready here. Click on download HD. After clicking on download HD, they will ask you for login. Click where however you want to log in and then click on download HD. You will be able to download the photos which you have uploaded for the removal of watermark. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, then make sure to like, share the video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.